Hello, very well. Your family and the friends. I am in the Taj Mahal. It's a very famous loaded smoker in the city of Grand India. I'm enjoy a wow vacation. Wow, no one have a wedding. I'm in one of the showers of the building. This is in passes, Paris, Brain, the tower, I am now beautiful, like cake. I feel very happy to know and live experience with wet heart, reach the low time and gone. I like everything from here. The the sure heart, the brave is 20 and the culture of the city. The only friend I did not like was the Chelsea way, but I enjoyed in the force. Thank you.